Hi kids, are you feeling hot? Are you feeling exhausted? Are you feeling thirsty? You must be wondering which season has started. Summer season. And what do we see on a hot day? We see bright sun in the sky on a hot day. And what do we use to cool ourselves because of the heat? We use table fan, hand fan, air cooler or an AC to cool ourselves from the heat of the sun. But which clothes do we wear? We wear cotton clothes and we use cap or goggles to protect ourselves. We can even use an umbrella to protect ourselves from the heat of the sun. And when you feel thirsty, what should you do? You should drink lots of water. Yes or no? But in summer season, we even get a lots of juicy fruits, right? Which fruits do we get? See, there are many fruits. Watermelon, coconut, and which fruit is called the king of fruits? Mango. Kids, you know many things about summer season, but do you know there are many people who don't get drinking water in summer season? So please don't waste water. Now I will teach you a few drawings about summer season. So get a book and a pencil for that. Hey kids, I hope you got your book and your pencil. But please try not to use your eraser. Now write today's date. That now on the first line, write capital letter W, script letter E. Leave one finger space and write script letter S, script letter E, and again script letter E. Put two dots. V, C. Now below, next line. Capital letter A. Leave one finger space. Script letter H. Script letter O. Script letter T. Leave one finger space. Script letter D. Script letter A. Script letter Y. A hot day. What do we see on a hot day? Sun. Let's draw. Leave few lines and draw one circle. After that, put your pencil here on the circle, go up in a straight line. A long standing line, leave some space, slanting line and short line. Now on the next page, we are going to draw what we use. First line, write capital letter W, script letter E. Leave one finger space, script letter U, script letter S, script letter E, and put two dots. We use. First picture, leave some space, draw one sleeping line, then make a curve and join with the sleeping line. Now, slanting line here and a slanting line here. Join with the curve. Put your pencil on the top, slanting line down, again slanting line and touch the sleeping line and a circle. Next, below this cap, leave some space and draw a curve again. Then from here, start drawing smaller curves. Finished? After that, put your pencil here on a smaller curve and draw one standing line and a curve like this. Leave some space. Draw again a standing line and a curve and join. Now put your pencil on the top and Draw slanting lines and join with the curves. Now a triangle on the top. And how will you open your umbrella without a button? So a button at the bottom. Next, with care, you can even make goggles. So we are going to draw goggles. Draw a small circle. Leave some space. Draw another circle. Join the two circles with a sleeping line. Leave some space. Draw another sleeping line. Put your pencil on the circle. Slanting line. Curve. Again. Slanting line. Curve. Your goggles are ready. Now, we even use a fan to cool ourselves. So, start drawing with me. Sleeping line. Slanting line. Again slanting line. And join with the sleeping line. From here, on this sleeping line, one standing line, another standing line, and below that, draw an oval shape. Now for the blades. Down, slanting lines, and join. Again, slanting line, and join. Again, slanting line, and join. And to make a fan work, we are going to draw curves like this. Now, we are going to draw what we like to have. Start writing from the first line. Capital letter W, script letter E. Leave one finger space. Script letter L, script letter I, script letter K, script letter E. Again leave one finger space. Script letter T, script letter O. Leave one finger space. Script letter H, script letter A, script letter V, and script letter E. Put two dots. We like to have. Let's start. We like to have mangoes in summer season, right? So first we are going to draw mangoes. Make an S. Then join the S with opposite C curve. Done? Now put your pencil here. Go up. Standing line. Short sleeping line. We are going to make a leaf. So start drawing curves like this. Opposite side and join. Your mango is ready. Next fruit, watermelon. Draw an oval shape and make wavy lines inside it. And a curve like this. Now the slice of a watermelon. U curve, leave some space, another U curve and join. Make a triangle on the top. Draw one standing line from the middle and put few dots for seeds. Your watermelon slice is ready. Next, what do we like to have? Your favorite thing, ice cream. Draw a V. Join it with a sleeping line. Start drawing curves for your ice cream. Put one cherry on the top and draw one biscuit also, like this. Now let's decorate the cone. Slanting lines and opposite slanting lines. Your ice cream cone is ready. Now last, juice glass. Oval shape, slanting line, join with the curve. Again, standing line, join with an oval shape. You even have to draw a straw so that you can drink your juice. So, curve, slanting line, come down. Leave some space again. Curve, Slanting line, come down and join like this. Join this with an oval. After that, draw little juice inside it and decorate the glass with a slice of lime. Draw a circle, a dot inside it, then slanting lines. Your juice glass is ready.